How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about a question that is coming up a lot more frequently, and that is, what exactly is a wind-hail deductible on my insurance policy? Whether you own just a home or a commercial building, it is becoming more commonplace to see this on insurance policies. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian. I'm an insurance agent based here in Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. First, let's remind ourselves what a deductible is in the first place. A deductible is the amount that you are responsible for paying out of pocket before the insurance coverage kicks in. So let's say you have a $1,000 deductible. If there's damage to your property, you would be responsible for that initial $1,000, and then the insurance would cover the remaining costs of the damage up to the policy limits. Now, in recent years, insurance companies have started adding a separate wind and hail deductible onto their policies. This means that instead of just one standard deductible across the board, you could have a different, typically higher deductible for any damage caused by wind and hail. So if a strong storm causes damage to your roof, you would then have a different deductible amount than say for damage caused by fire or water. So another common question is, why have insurance companies started doing this? Well, with the rise of severe weather events across the country, claims for wind and hail have gone up. So by separating out the deductibles, insurance companies can better manage the costs associated with the claims that come in. And this also helps keep premiums from rising too fast as well. And as far as the amount for the wind hail deductible, this can be a range. This can either be a flat dollar amount, such as something like $5,000, but it also could be a percentage of the building's insured value. And this is especially common for commercial properties. And if you have a larger commercial building, a 1 to 5% wind hail deductible could mean significant out-of-pocket costs if you do have a claim. So knowing whether your deductible is a set flat amount or is percentage based is very important when you are budgeting and planning in case you do ever have a claim. It is also worth noting that wind hail deductibles again would only apply to wind and hail events, while your standard deductible would still apply to claims like fire or water. It can be a bit confusing, so it is important to understand which deductible will apply to each situation. For some, choosing a higher deductible for wind and hail can provide some slight premium reduction. So if you are looking to drop your costs a bit, it could make sense to look into different deductible options. Overall, making sure that you are reviewing the deductible amounts on your policy can be very useful, just to make sure that the insurance company hasn't changed things year over year, so that you can plan and budget for those unexpected events, claims that do happen. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your insurance, whether it's commercial or personal, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below or reach out directly, and I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.